Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So yeah, for Bitcoin we see a little bit of a decline today. Altcoins are dropping quite substantially, which is sort of what we wanted to see in the current structures, where we said, look, we can't confirm a low in place for many of these altcoins until they form a 5-wave move to the upside. So let's see. I mean, they are suffering, even though Bitcoin is just declining a little bit. A lot of altcoins are suffering, might put in a new bear market low. We'll see. The risk is there for a lot of them because a lot of them are not producing 5 waves up at the moment. So we're going to take a look at that in the altcoin videos. But Bitcoin coming down a little bit. Nothing outside of the scope of this scenario. It's just still broadly in the range here. We talked in the previous video about that another wave 5 is likely and expected as long as the 28,546 level is holding. As you can see, it's not even close to that 50% retracement level. So it can still use the entire space. Theoretically, Bitcoin could drop another 5.5% without invalidating the current short-term bullish scenario. I've just added a new micro count here to the wave 4. I did have an A, B, C before, which also emphasized one more low in a 5th wave, in a C wave. However, with yesterday's high, this started to look very strange. So I've just modified it into a WXY. I think that's more relevant. And then an A wave down, a B wave up to yesterday's high, and a C wave down coming now in the making. It would need to break below 30,138 to confirm. I did tell you yesterday that if it can form a higher low now and break above the last high, which was here at 31,030, it would confirm to us that it's in a 5th wave, but it didn't do that. So we have to assume we're still in the 4th wave. So yeah, for now, I think we need to expect a deeper wave 4, but let's see. Support levels are, as already mentioned, 29,734, 29,077, and 28,546. And if this really is an ABC structure, then I think one of these levels will be reached, probably the 38.2 retracement. But it first of all on the micro level depends on, can the bears break 30,138? Then they need to take out the A wave low at 29,900. But yeah, nothing changed. It can of course move in all sorts of messy ways as long as it doesn't break the support area here. And as long as it's holding that, another high in a 5th wave is anticipated. However, that is our signal level, as explained already in all of the videos in the last few days, that we have a short-term bullish scenario, which is this one, in which one more high could happen in a wave 5 of a wave 1, then a larger wave 2 pullback, and then we can take off in a 3rd wave rally. Or we already completed the 5 waves as per the alternate wave count. And then basically the wave 1 finished here on Friday, and we're already in the wave 2 pullback. Honestly, that both are possible, okay? So they're both highly likely. There's no point in trying to say, okay, it's this one or that one, because you simply cannot say at this stage, okay, wave 1 topped and we're coming down in a wave 2. We might do, okay, also in this structure actually, in an ABC structure, we might be coming down now in a wave 2. It depends on which support level is holding, okay? So we just need to be very mindful, okay, at what point can we confirm that a local low is in place? We just simply can't at this stage. So we just need to be prepared for further price drops, and then just need to pay attention to these support levels, especially 28,546. So if that breaks, then we're dealing here with a deeper wave 2. Bear in mind, they are both part of the same scenario. They are both part of the overall bullish scenario. And as long as the deeper support, the lower support area is holding at 26,190, the overall focus can be on higher. That's why I gave you this entire region here as bullish range that can be traded. Of course, you can use it to scale in against the 26,190 level, but I cannot really tell you what to do. First of all, I can't give you financial advice, and then it really depends on your own trading strategy and portfolio. But this is the range in which I'm going to be bullish in this particular scenario, focusing on the idea that an even larger wave 2 bottomed on the 15th of June. Only below 26,190, that idea will change. Yeah, and that's my update about Bitcoin. We need to pay attention to a first 5-wave move to the upside if it occurs, and that could be the start of the wave 5. But for now, it looks as if Bitcoin wants to take out this support area. It's not confirmed yet, but that was literally just a level to watch for you to get an idea, okay, if Bitcoin holds here and breaks above that last high, then it's probably in a wave 5, but I can't confirm that happened at this stage. So we need to be prepared for possibly further declines. And then overall, the statement still remains that as long as Bitcoin is holding 28,546, the focus can be on higher in a fifth wave. All right, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.